Holiday audio imaging.
Ah, the holidays. That magical time when family gathers to give thanks, eat turkey. Your father brings his new life coach girlfriend to dinner and reminds you why you don't do this
Holiday
more
audio
often.
imaging.
Do you have any vegan options?
What's your Wi-Fi password again?
Yep, it's that moment you realize gratitude has a time limit. That's when you reach for the Get the Out of My House candle,
Holiday audio
infused with the delightful aromas of leftover turkey casserole, gym sneakers, and hot Limburger cheese in a Ziploc
Holiday
bag.
audio imaging.
Oh, wow. What is that smell?
Oh, you mean the Christmas spirit?
Oh, I forgot. I gotta go. I need to feed my goldfish.
Oh, I suddenly remembered. I gotta go. I have a thing I've gotta go do. Yeah, I forgot that
Holiday
thing.
audio imaging.
Wait, no, please don't go. You just got here 7 hours ago.
Just one light, and poof, your living room transforms from family feast to solitary bliss. So this
Holiday audio
holiday
imaging.
season, light love, light peace, but most of all, light them out the door with the Get the Out of My House candle. Because even good tidings have a checkout time.